This is Jesus Manuel Menagarza for RV Travel Adventures. I'm doing a follow-up report on my FXT backup camera that I installed on my travel trailer. They sent me the camera for free, for gratis, and I installed it in an unusual spot just to have a spot for it because my other spots were taken over by the Haloview system. So I wanted to compare the different qualities of the two systems, the Haloview and the FXT Technologies unit. I did like the picture quality and the monitor quality of the FXT Technologies, but I did find some issues. We've recently had a bit of a snowstorm, about a week of snow here in Fort Worth, maybe a week and a half, and we had quite a bit of snow. It's finally melting off and it's getting a lot better, a lot warmer. Today's temperature is supposed to be 70 degrees. I like that. As a Bay Area person, I like 70 degrees. I appreciate 70 degrees. So I'm going to go over the FXT technology camera and compare it to the Haloview system. So let's get that started right now. So here's the Haloview system. As you can see, all the screws are nice. They're nice and bright. And they have no issues, and the back area here, they're nice and bright too, so everything's copacetic, as they would say. Everything's pretty good. So that's one of my side marker cameras. So I installed over here the FXT camera. We still have a bit of snow over there, and you'll quickly notice that they're starting to rust. The little bolts in the back and on the side are starting to rust. That's not a good thing. Doesn't mean the camera won't work, but it's not good to have rust. Okay, it's never good to have a little bit of rust. I still have the cover over the lens because I haven't started using it yet, so I just wanted to inform you of that. So what do you think? Feel free to leave your kind and super friendly comments below. What do you think of the rust issue on this FXT camera? Is it a deal breaker? Otherwise, the picture is good. The monitor is very good, actually. And let me just show you real quickly something I just did this morning. It took about a minute and a half. I added some reflector tape here on my travel trailer. Being the totally paranoid person that I am, I added some reflective tape. And of course, I have some gripper tape right there, so when I go up the travel trailer, I have no issues. And there's my Haloview system. All the bolts up there, from what I can see, are nice and shiny. That's always a positive. And of course, down here, not so nice and shiny. So what do you think? This has been Jesus Manuel Menagarza. I hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Just a follow-up report on the FXT backup camera. I like the camera. It has a great picture and a great monitor, and Bluetooth, no issues, but a little bit of rust on the nuts that connect it. And it's only been about a month since I installed it, so it's already starting to rust. That's not a good sign. So all you folks at FXT Technologies, fix those bolts, those nuts, whatever you want to call them, the screws. Just fix them, upgrade them to something that doesn't rust, like a stainless steel, high quality product, okay? From Fort Worth, Texas, this has been Jesus Manuel Menagarza. I hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Hope you're doing super, super fantastic. I just can't wait in about a week and a half. I'm going to install my lithium batteries in the front pass-through. And then I'm going to be, in about a week after that, I'm planning to do a test run, maybe go to a local state park and see how they work. Give me a big thumbs up if that works out. By the way, I'm horrific at backing up this travel trailer. So hopefully it comes back in one piece. Cross my fingers. From Fort Worth, Texas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And of course, leave your kind and super friendly comments abajo, below. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.